All right, here's a little video to get you started on this worksheet. It's about positive and negative function values. What do I mean when I'm talking about function values? Function values are the y values. Function values is the same thing as y values. So make a dot at each x-intercept. Okay, this one only has one x-intercept. Use one color to highlight where the function value is positive and another to highlight where they are negative. So function values, remember that means your y values. So where are the y values? Positive. So if I look on my graph, well, where are my points that have positive y's? So think about right here, this has the coordinates 6, 1. See how the y value is positive? So right here has a positive y value. Here I have 8, 2. Again, positive y value. Right here I have 5 1/2, positive y value. So where do I have negative y values then? Let's see, if I take this point right here, this is at 2, 1. Look, y value is negative, so that has a negative y value. This point is at 0, -2. That's a negative y value. -2 is the y value, and that's negative. Okay, this point also, negative y value, negative y value, negative y value. So where are my negative y values? They are all down here, and my positive y values are up here. So we need two highlighters, one color for positive, one color for negative. I'm going to go ahead and make my positive be purple. Oh, I should have green and purple to go with our cappuccino colors today, but I don't. All right, so I'll use orange instead. So my negatives, I'm going to use my negative function values. Those are going to be down here. So notice this is different from increasing and decreasing function values. So increasing was when we had positive slopes, and decreasing was when we had negative slopes. This is not that. This is talking about the actual y values. Okay, so let's see. Describe the intervals on the x-axis where the function values are positive and negative by using compound inequalities. Okay, and then you can actually write your answers down here, it looks like. So intervals where f of x is positive, see f of x, that's another way of saying y, which is another way of saying function value. So you can put your answers over here. So the interval where it's positive is from here, and then it looks like it's going off, so we continue that going to infinity. So x is greater than 4. Now notice I didn't say equal to. So the reason why I didn't put the equal to here is because this coordinate right here on the x-axis is 4, 0. 0 is considered neither positive nor negative. It has no sign. It's kind of neutral. So we don't include 0 in our positive function values. Okay, then where is the function values? Where are they negative? Well, that would be all the rest of this. And how do we do that? That is x is less than 4. So notice I'm talking about the x. When we talk about intervals, we always want to refer to the x. We don't refer to the y. Okay, so when x is greater than 4, all my y values are positive. When x is less than 4, all my y values are negative. Okay, and then my x-intercepts, well, I only have one x-intercept on this particular graph, which is at 4, 0. Notice that is the number that is separating my positive from my negative function values. Okay, so good luck with the rest of that. If anything else comes up, but I think this is all pretty much the same, send me an email and I will try and get back to you with clarification, but hopefully that'll take you through the rest of this document. All right, good luck, fourth period. By the way, third period had a different homework assignment, so if you talk to them and they are talking something different, they had something similar but not exactly the same. All right, good luck. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.